Our adrenal glands are part of our endocrine system and sit atop our kidneys. Glands produce hormones. Hormones travel via bloodstream to a cell and affect its function. The adrenal glands produce a variety of hormones, including glucocorticoid and catecholamines. Glucocorticoid, or cortisol, regulates absorption and use of glucose in every cell in the body. It is essential in balancing and stabilizing critical body systems, including cardiovascular, metabolic, and immune systems. Catecholamines are synthesized from the amino acids phenylalanine and tyrosine. These include adrenaline, epinephrine, noradrenaline, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Hormones act as neuromodulators in the nervous system, matching heart rate, blood pressure, and blood glucose levels for response, reaction of the sympathetic nervous system to fight or flight. The health of our adrenal glands is important for overall health. Common ways the body manifests adrenal fatigue are lack of energy, ongoing fatigue, non-restful sleep, difficulty handling stress, mild depression, low libido, frequent infections, slow recovery from illness for injury, caffeine dependence, low blood pressure, intolerance for cold, and even hair loss. Those with autoimmune illnesses should pay particularly close attention to adrenal gland health.